Alright, and today we continue for our staff management and operation. For example, we can use a Wemero platform to handle your daily human resource management, right? Staff management here. From here, you can set your, for example, your shop manager, and you can give her every authority to access your shop, right? Here. If you want your staff to log in your platform, you have to make him to use an email, and then you can assign a role, right? Like a shop manager. You give him this access, and you give him the login access. And for example, this is Christian, right? Let's see how the system would look like from the employer's perspective. Let's try login now. This is the universal login process for business owners and salon staff. This is his email. His password was already sent to his email. Let's just see what is the password. Okay, this password. Let's try to log in. And now we have you see punching now. For example, if your employees, if you have a working system for 9 to 5, for 9 to 10, the employee come to the shop, he can punch in, okay? And after he finish the day's work, he can punch out. And that record will be showing on your backstage like here. Attendance management, right, Christian? I have done some demo before. For example, this is a record, attendance record. On September 2nd, I punched in at 5:11 p.m. and I punched out at 5:32 p.m. And the total attendance time was 21 minutes, right? This is only for example. And then you can also, export the PDF or the Excel of the employees, attendance record. And this is the filter parameter, start and end date. You can also filter out by the name, recent click, and staff name. Okay, that is the staff management record. So easy, right? You can manage your staff leave, attendance, and staff holiday, right? You can add a new holiday. For example, if you have National Day. I already made a demo here. You can also edit your holiday anytime. For example, if you're in a particular region or country, you have some major holidays, you can edit it from when to when, and you just edit it, and during that day your shop will be closed. That means you cannot do business during this period, right? So these are regular functions. And staff payroll, yes. You see, and all this information was available here. For example, staff information, staff performance, staff service, working hours, leave management, attendance management, tip management, payroll history. Right? So this system just solves all your problem about human resources management. You don't need to buy extra Saas system for another human resource. For Western companies, they tend to focus on one specific functions, but from Eastern IT companies, most of us, we try to integrate and include all the functions for them to get free from the hassles, right? It's like WeChat in China, the super app, WeChat, the super app. You can do pretty much everything in China with WeChat. Now WeChat is a everyday must-have app in all Chinese pockets. And see, and we also do some action here, view info. Let's see, this is our staff, right? His name and his staff ID, and there's payslip. You can also download this payslip. And let me see, total deduction. You see, this is your staff payroll details. And another action is you can also send message. You see, pay slip email sent already on this blah blah blah. Oh, it's already sent. That means that the staff's email will get a payroll. He'll get his payroll record on his email, right? So when you have such system, you don't need to worry about your human resource, So actually, Wemero system is also a very fantastic human resources system for you to manage everything. Now, okay, we'll come to products. This is also quite easy. First of all, you need to edit your category management. And second, you need to edit your product management, right? Category management, like you add a new category name, category description, edit, and then you do the product editing. For example, I have a category called skincare, right? Machines and facial care products, and I edit it. You see, this is the two content you need to fill up. Skincare is a major category. This description. Now there's no product under this category. I can edit one. For example, skincare. We can use Haifu. We can edit a Haifu. This is my Kuala Lumpur. It's already assigned to one of my agents, so I'm going to use my Beijing branch as a demo purpose for my demo purpose, right? Beijing branch. Product. Open product category. I already have such categories right here. For example, facial skincare, actions, and product management. You see, and I already added some products right here. For example, you see Pico Laser Carbon Peel. What is the category? Let's edit it. It's categorized under the pigmentation removal. Yeah, you can add everything quite easy right here. How about we make some example right here? For example, hair salon supply, skincare, anti-aging treatment. Let's do some fat removal, okay? Fat removal, machines and aesthetic equipment used for removing fat. Oh, 50. Let's just cut to the description. Aesthetic equipment used for removing fat and reduce weight. Okay, that's enough, I think. Category. Then you have the category prepared, right? Let's go to product. So I don't have a fat removal machine. Let's add a new product here. For example, cryolipolysis. This is fancy word. Use cool technology to reduce fat, and it's assigned under fat removal. How much it costs? Usually costs some big money. Let's say 12,000 Chinese yuan. You can generate your store key unit. It's a randomly generated a code. A quantity, for example, I have a 100 and tax, beauty service tax. And by the way, where do we set the tax? I will tell you later. And the product commission, if my employee can sell this one, I can give him 5% commission. Loyalty for this machine, we give them 200 loyalty, means 200 yuan. And then we can do some description here. Use cool technology to kill stubborn cellulite and cellulite fat and reduce weight to keep body contoured. Okay, add a product. Now this product is already added to the to my category, and you want to see this category. If this want to see the products, let's just go to store. You will see it will directly appear in your booking page. Let's see Wemero platform, and go to product here. Let's find fat removal here. You see we have it. I didn't have a picture. It's better we add a picture. Add a picture. Create lipolizes. Find a picture. What picture? Lipolizes machine. For example, these things are very popular in China. Yeah, I have a factory. I happen to have a factory who produce these. Let's just use this as our avatar here. Screenshot the picture. Download it on my desktop. Okay, it's here. Okay, and then we can go to our product editing here, right? Product management. We go to Create Lipolizes, and we clicking. You see, this is the product information. So let's go to here, action here to edit the product. Let's give this machine a name. Again, it's on my desktop. Wait a moment. Cancel it, and yeah. Okay, this is my picture here. Okay, and we edit the product, and we update it, refresh the page, refresh it. You see, fat reduction. What's fat reduction? Here, no, not here. Sorry. And this is branch, Beijing branch. Yes, Beijing branch. Let's refresh it. Oh, it's here. Sorry. And the product, fat removal. You see, now we got it. We got the product. So this system, not only sell service, we can only sell products here. It saves you a lot of troubles. You don't need to use any You don't need to use any platform like Shopify or Amazon. This one can give you a 2C function, for the you can sell your products and everything here on this platform. So one system, one app for all functions, all purpose. So do you want to try this amazing platform? No. Sometimes there's some good stuff out there. It just needs to take some time to explore it, find it. You cannot always find such good platform with cost-effective solutions. And today we just finished the staff management and product management here of Wemero platform. And next time, I think we can wrap up the basic, orientation. For example, I forgot to tell you how to set the text here. So Wemero is very considerate in thinking about all the circumstances you may have during the scenario of the customer booking a service and the business owner arranging the service, right? So that's all. We finish one cycle of the order. It's quite easy. And I think that's not much. Next time we talk about the marketing tools. So see you today. Let's call it a day, and see you next time.